Hi, my name is Armando. I'm chef from Zuzu in La Taberna, and here we are.
So, you have been our customer of Salute Santé grapeseed oil for over 20 years, and you've been working here at Zuzu's for that amount of time, correct?
That's right. Yeah, is that correct? Yeah.
So, why do you choose to use Salute Santé grapeseed oil over other oils?
Because I like Salute Santé oil because it's a really good quality and it's really really healthy for your
All right. So
yeah. So today we're gonna cook two dishes that we use grapeseed oil. All right. First thing we're gonna do is we're gonna start with the steak, and it's already marinated with a little bit of oregano, garlic, and grapeseed oil. While we're cooking our steak, we're gonna do we're gonna turn our grapeseed oil here. We got fry some manchego cheese. So over here we got some roasted poblano peppers, diced red onions, and some frisee. And then we make ourselves vinaigrette. There's a little bit of sherry, honey, and grapeseed oil. Local farming also, local ingredients we use a lot. Local farmers we use, to support our locals.
That's awesome.
It's important, yeah. Quality ingredients, that we use. It's been a little hard on us, So coming in to support your local restaurants,
Definitely. We like to support each other here.
Absolutely.